Hey everyone, here's a question on factorization, and the question is factorize 64 minus m minus 7 whole square. So the square is for m minus 7 and we have 64 and we have to factorize. Factorize means we have to write down the answer like something into something, right? Like in a factors form. We don't have to solve this. So if you are solving it, then you have to open the bracket and solve it. But here we are factorizing it. Means you should write the factors of this given question. Now how to do this? If you observe here, obviously we have an identity to use here, right? One we have is m minus 7. It's like a minus b whole square. But again, if I open the identity, I'm not sure because I may get a 4 terms there or 3 terms there, because we have 64 also. And if you observe this once again, 64 is a square of 8. So let me write down that first. So here is a question. So question is 64 minus m minus 7 whole square. Now here 64 is a 8 square, so this will be equal to 8 whole square minus m minus 7 whole square. Now whenever they ask you to factorize any given question, you have to use a identity and then do it. Now if you observe here, it is like a square minus b square. We might have learned the identity a square minus b square. In place of a we have 8, in place of b we have whole m minus 7. So you should take b value as complete m minus 7, right? A square minus b square. But what is a square minus b square? So a square minus b square is the identity, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So you can see that a plus b into a minus b, they are already in a factorized form. Okay, we have to just substitute the value of a and b in this given identity and get the answer. So here in place of a, you're gonna take 8. In place of b, you're gonna put m minus 7. So wherever you have a and b, just substitute the value and that's it. We're gonna get the answer. So let me erase this part. So I'm gonna use this identity a square minus b square. So this is equal to, first we have a plus b. So here let me use a square bracket. So a is 8 plus b value is m minus 7. So m minus 7. Then into we have a minus b. So a is 8 minus, I'm gonna use a curve bracket here, minus m minus 7. Now why I am using a two brackets? Because we have a minus sign here. So this minus sign means there will be a 1 here. So this minus 1 will get multiplied. So signs will gonna change. That is why I kept the two brackets here. One is a curve bracket and one is a square bracket. So let's solve this. So in the first bracket we have 8 and minus 7, which we can solve. So 8 minus 7 is 1. So we'll get 1 plus m. Okay, here I'm going to use a curly brackets or curve brackets. So 1 plus m we have got. Now what about the second one? In second one, like I said, we have a minus sign. So I have written 1 here just to indicate that this minus sign will get multiplied here, or minus 1 will get multiplied. So minus 1 into m will be minus m. I'm going to open the bracket. Minus 1 into minus 7 will be plus 7. Okay, now we have to solve this further. So 1 plus m, and here we have 8 plus 7, which is 15. So 15 minus m. That's it. So you can see we don't have to solve something. We got two factors. One is 1 plus m and one more is 15 minus m. So when they ask you to factorize, we're gonna get something multiplied by something. So m plus 1 plus m into 15 minus m. That's it. So it's very simple. You have to just understand which identity you have to use. Once you get it, substitute in the identity and then that's it. So I hope this question is clear. In case you have any other question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.